I was always interested in roller coasters. I had like this crazy dream, maybe like someday I could actually go and design roller coasters. Like, oh, it would be so cool to actually make your own. That's kind of what drove me to become an engineer. And I just been kind of using that passion there. That's how this project came to be. Invertigo is a ride at Kings Island located in Cincinnati, Ohio, and it is a inverted boomerang shuttle coaster, meaning that it starts in the station, the train is lift up a lift hill and actually dropped from that hill. It goes through the entire circuit, which consists of a cobra roll and vertical loop, and then comes up to a second lift hill where it goes up to the top and then launches you again, and you go through the whole thing backwards. My previous work of roller coaster models, it was like hot glue guns and balsa wood and, you know, just using whatever I had handy in the house. This was actually an opportunity where I could say, hey, I've had all this experience with 3D printing, laser cutting. I have all this background with computer-aided design because I got a minor in computer graphic technology here at Purdue during my undergraduate, and I was able to take all those skills and bring them all together and actually say, hey, this is a model that I created in CAD. This is engineered to fully come together. I have the tools to actually create something that worked. You want to actually be able to see functions, like you want to see restraints work, you want to see gates open, you want to see it running. One section of track takes about 12 hours to print. And this particular model has 33 different track sections. So there's 33, 12 hours a piece, takes about a month to print. Having these tools like 3D printing available like within my own apartment, I can go and just prototype a bunch. Every single time, just making it better and actually getting to a point where it works. It was the best feeling ever. It was probably at 4 in the morning on some weekday where I had to go to work, and I just was like, yep, I'm done. You set goals for yourself. Like each week, I'm like, all right, I want to get the gates working. I want to get the restraints working. I want to get this lift working. But when you do have those aha moments, it's like the best feeling ever. That was one of the reasons I wanted to get it here. The model to Purdue is because with roller coasters, I think it's a smaller community, and that what makes it the most competitive industry to get into. So you have very passionate people to talk to, and it's absolutely awesome just to throw around ideas and just talk to people that are passionate about something that you are deeply interested in. It's just really cool to just see the reactions, and it kind of makes it worthwhile to have people just get inspired where everyone's like, oh, I got a 3D printer, I want to go and make this.